Hey, RTC here. Listen, don't forget to get on our official mailing list. We have the free stuff, like free stuff. We have a free ebook for you. We have so many coding tips, real world insights to the software development industry, and so much more. Link popping up. It's also in the description box of this video. Hello, software developers, engineers, machine learning enthusiasts, number crunchers, Julia programming language lovers, and anyone else I've missed. It's RTC here. I'm gonna show you this course over on Datacamp.com. Honestly, I think this is the go-to platform if you're trying to learn machine learning, data analysis, anything involving Python. Ooh, I went there and I said it. This is a great little platform. Great big platform, actually. There's a lot going on. My full review is popping up on your screen right now. If you want to take a look at that, definitely worth checking out. One thing I will say, and then we'll get into this course, is that Datacamp is really generous with their free previews before you have to pay anything. So lots to dabble in, as you can see, projects and practice up the wazoo. But let's get back to this Julia course. Now, if you're new to the Julia programming language, it really excels when you're doing scientific computing, machine learning, and or data mining. So it's 4 hours. Just like most of the other courses on Datacamp, it's interactive with a video or two. So let's pop in and I'll show you what this is all about. Now, I got the email today, so this is a course fresh off the printing press, the digital printing press. I don't know if they're going to charge for it eventually. It is 4 hours, so hopefully not, but they said for now it's free. Let me go back. If you click this course outline, we'll just go back here. Here's the play button. Here's another video on variables. Here's a video on basic data types. And then these, you're going to be doing some coding and some interactivity. And as you can also see, it's a gamified environment. So for each lesson you complete, you do get some XP. Just trying to keep you motivated in the course. So I'm not going to bore you with the introduction. You can watch this on your own time, but this is the introduction video, just getting you warmed up to the idea of the simple stuff with Julia. Some background information. For a 4-hour course, you are getting quite a bit of different things and different ideas introduced to you, working with arrays, Fibonacci sequence, operating on body temperatures. So pushing the envelope there in a I don't know what kind of way, just doing things a little more interesting than, okay, here's an array, here's how you find the array length, operating on body temperatures. Like, that's interesting. Functions and packages, we have plenty of lessons here as well, using packages, importing them, writing a function with multiple arguments. And then the final module, the final segment, if you will, is data frames. So loading and examining data, slicing data frames. We have, again, here are some videos, video on filtering, video on descriptive statistics, and the rest of this is interactive with classic books, filtered body temp, final thoughts video, and that's it. So let's hop in to this first lesson with the interactivity. Using the console, basically, we're just going to run a very simple calculation here. We're going to find the difference between these two numbers. It says you can type a command and press enter to run it. So they're very explicit in what to do. They don't make a lot of assumptions. If you have experience with coding, obviously this is going to be a little straightforward. It's going to be pretty obvious what to do. But if you're new, they tell you what to do. So I do like that. 39221. And then we're just going to minus the second number, which is 1,892. I'm going to hit enter. Oh yeah, and here's my result. So they want me to find the right number, which is 37329. And I selected 37329, submit answer. Oh yes. I already got my XP before I started the video, but
theoretically,
they should award you 50 XP if you get that right. On to the next lesson. We also have a double pane here, and you can mix and match these layouts to your liking. We also have multiple tabs on some of these workbooks. For example, in the output section, there's also a slide. Kind of neat, right? You can save it. You can automatic zoom. So really clean layout, really nice UX UI, which is, again, something that I like about this entire platform. Also, light and dark mode you can toggle. This is pretty much what you can expect for the rest of the course. Of course, you can jump around if you want to. If you want to go to the big module 2 data structures. Let's live a little. Let's go to data frames, which is the last module, and let's hop into classic books. These lessons, they're really succinct, which is something, again, that you see on the entire Datacamp platform. So this course is very much in line with your typical Datacamp course. They give you a teeny tiny statement, a few lines of instructions, and then you get to work in the coding editor. If you're stuck, there's a take a hint button, but I'm gonna lose 30 XP. Should I do it? Oh my gosh! Ooh, I took the hint, I got the ding. Again, a 4-hour course. It's free if you're wanting to get into scientific computing, machine learning, or data mining, or you're just curious about this strangely, interestingly named language. I would say check this course out. If you're interested in machine learning or any type of data analysis at all with code, I would say check out Datacamp, point blank period, because it is a really cool platform. I'm a software developer. I'm a web developer by trade. So unfortunately, this isn't my go-to platform when I'm trying to learn something. But if I was a data scientist, I'd be like, yeah, this is my go-to. Really high quality courses. Check this course out. I'm going to pin the link if you want to support the channel. If not, that's cool too. But thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.